Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going over my 6 slides with y'all. I'm going to start with my first 3 slides that are meant to be messed up so we can see what not to do. This first slide, as you can tell, is very bright, has lots of patterns going on, and is very distracting to my audience. So as I am introducing my topic, instead of listening to me, I can see my audience paying more attention to what's going on in the background. My second slide has a lot of issues going on. Not only do I have yellow and red font on a black background, which is not advised, but I also have different fonts going on, different sizes going on, lots of words in each bullet point, a lot of things to read instead of listening, and I also have pictures that are cutting off some of the words and just kind of are a little silly and don't really go along with what um, they don't really explain what I'm talking about as much as they should. And for this slide, again, I have very extravagant fonts, colors that don't really make sense on the background, and not easy to read bullet points, and so my audience, instead of listening to me, will probably try and figure out what's going on, which has caused distraction. I also included charts in these that don't add up and don't make sense, and so I can see my audience getting very confused and stop listening to me and instead trying to figure this out. This is how I fixed it. I made the background white with a clear black writing, and I made my topic broad. I gave that, but I also gave my main points and my subtopics below, so my audience knew what I was talking about ahead of time as I'm introducing it as well. On this slide, I have spaced it out to where it's easier to read. There are no charts since I did not need charts, and there are clear on what's going on, clear on my topics. I could have probably even come in and bolded a few things just to make it even easier, but I thought this was clean and just easy to follow. And then for this slide, again, I have my main topic up top that's in bigger font, and then below or my body is a smaller font, but not too small. You guys still be able to read. There's spacing in between. There's not a lot of words going on the background. So these are easy things to follow and go along with. And I feel like this is a great way to present a PowerPoint and also have this in your speech so that you're not relying on it heavily, but you have it there to kind of give a guideline. Thank y'all so much.